while you enjoy the whole Lonavala scenery, I tell you what all I have. I'll be sharing some information with you, but all I have done, before I started this journey. Please check your, if you have such a long journey of 1500, 1600 kilometers, so always check the pressure of your tires and check fluids and oil and everything. Have your car service done, which is always, so that gives you a, you really know if there are some problems which you can before and take care of. So the same thing happened with me. One of the tire was weak, so I changed the tire also. So always that gives you a confidence to drive such a long way. And basically I am hauling this car to New Delhi since because of this 10-year restrictions. I have one car lying here, so I'm hauling this car back to New Delhi, and we'll be bringing the other car which is has a 10-year restriction, happens to be an Isuzu, which I'll be keeping it in Pune because you can still use that car here with paying some extension fee and etc. The change of state money, which is approximately will be 10% of the price which you bought. But it's since in 10 years your car doesn't go bad, and you can always even if you have to pay 150,000, so you can still, that car is of a use. And especially in hills at our Grace Meditation Center, that car is always a help to have haul stuff for the people coming from New Delhi. So if you have a plan to come visit some meditation center, that's a great place in Lonavala only.